channel. So today I'm going to show you how I created this super nice Bantu knot out on my natural hair. Starting out with freshly washed hair, taking care of my scalp, adding my leave-in conditioner, my moisturizer, and moving on to making medium-sized twists all over my head and finishing them off with a little bit of shea butter and then in a Bantu knot. Continuing the medium-sized twist slash Bantu knot combination all over my hair. Making sure I'm extra gentle around the perimeter, my edges, my bald spot. And then it's time for bed. This is the next day. My hair is fully dry. I'm going to take out the Bantu knots with a little bit of almond oil. Going to prevent some frizz and also just keeping my hair moisturized overall. I really love the look that a Bantu knot out gives me. It gives me some nice curls. It's just so effortlessly done for me and I love it. Bantu knots never fail me. I am also going to use some edge control. Now I'm very gentle with it and I'm only going to use my fingers. I want them to look tidy, but I don't want to put too much stress on them. You know what I mean? Continuing to pick it out until I get the desired volume and look that I'm going for. And there's a science to this. You just have to keep fluffing and keep separating your twists until you get the look you want. And there you have it. A simple hairstyle that'll fit any occasion. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content, and I'll see you in my next one.